Welcome to Kaitronics Automotive Key Programming. Today we have a Crown GRS2 4G RFSE engine. So this vehicle, as you can see on the display there, let me start it so that you see what's going on. Okay, so as you can see on the dashboard, there's the check engine light. So on the check engine light there, it's complaining of when I plug it on the machine just to do a simple diagnosis, it's showing me these two codes. So it's the O2 sensor circuit bank 1 sensor 2 and oxygen sensor circuit bank 2 sensor 2. So this result due to the malfunction on the oxygen sensor side might either be the circuit or the disturbance with the sensor, or it can be a permanent code in the engine control module. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a DTC delete, then afterwards I'll show you what happens next. So check out for the updates. Kaitronics Automotive Key Programming, next level of digital electronics in automotive systems. Ciao ciao.